Very far away, Hitman.
My side engineer dying inside the battle operator pretty much now. Booms.
But watch out we don't get two dead engineers at the same time.
My side repair, heads up.
Engineer dying.
Purple has a
Rupture AC.
Bomb strongly.
Bellow, bellow, bellow. Bombs my side very soon.
Was a really bad vortex there.
Elementals amplify.
Precious lag is done.
Yeah, but why do you release it at Soraya?
Didn't? It got
Yeah, okay,
sucked
okay.
in.
Alright, I see.
Since Rotom and Robo move it.
Yeah, we'll be bursting in just a moment.
Go ahead and take the next.
Guard.
I'm gonna take the next.
That pool of fire, that's shit.
Marking second one.
Whoa, what are you doing with those pools, people? You're killing us in phase 3. They won't disappear. Next fire colors.
Crystal amplify.
Moon is dying very fast.
Fire colors, script them.
First.
Nickel D the next.
Star, right away. Next fire colors, we will not be gripping them until we're at the next elementalist.
Launch smoke bomb.
V.
Grip fire colors to the next elementalist, please. I'm gonna go get this crossbow myself.
Moon is placed.
Burst,
Ready to
F's fire
burst.
colors.
Oh no.
Well, the shield doesn't affect the elements list.
No, but will affect the next slack.
It's gone. We were lucky, but Hitmen stay away. We don't need your DPS on them. Fire
Element is
colors
amplified.
are up. Never mind, never mind.
Star is going down.
It's on Ganamar. Move in. Ganamar, move in. Move in.
That's
Come on.
my.
One more interrupt. Great, good. And finish off the elementals. Next fire color spawning. AXC up right now. Grip the fire colors next elementals.
Cry, cry.
AoE the elementalist before we kill a moon.
It's going down fast. First.
Glide and fire the melee.
Hard nuke.
Angramar.
Okay, elementalist. Sorry, fire color spawning now. Get them here and let's nuke them down real hard. Moon back in, right?
Star is going down.
Yeah.
First.
Burst fast and we don't get next set of buckles.
And now use spots to be at high HP right now. Get on high HP.
Fire colors are gone.
3 gods.
So.
DA now.
Get those guards, Miller.
Don't.
Raise amplify.
No, don't use heroism like that. Move the boss out of the shield.
You're far away from the ranged.
Yeah, too far.
Well, there is a shield, nothing we can do, you just gotta adjust.
Launch smoke pump.
But we
Burst
just called for the
second.
exit.
Remember per second DPS potions if you haven't used them already.
How are you now?
Waiting now. Careful with melt.
Don't. Stay high HP, do what you can, stay high HP. Use DPS spots.
Not this close to it. We gotta move.
Enough.
Raise amplify. Elementals amplify.
Marable sec hitman.
Cry.
Pain suppression, hitman.
Equally suck me.
Remember the Rala.
Glide and parry on the ranged.
All the personal cooldowns you have remaining.
Nice.
There we go.
No, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, Black Hand.
Ah.